Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Honda Civic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 25,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 5-speed automatic transmission. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Honda's comprehensive certification process, including an exhaustive 150-point inspection. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.